It's modded. But they are glass.
This used to be Westinghouse according to the door track.
Probably had Epco.
This is a Westinghouse door track?
Yeah, it looks like it. Yep, look up there.
Oh yeah, you're right.
It's a Westinghouse interlock.
Oh yeah, I
right.
see it. I'm gonna look out the glass.
Yeah, let's do that. There's Katy Freeway out there.
You know what? I think I'm gonna decide to film this because it's got an epic motor.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna film this elevator.
You should. This is a pretty interesting one.
It is.
That motor sounded exactly like the old Saxford Avenue.
I'm gonna go down, then I'll get off at 4.
That motor sounded exactly like the old Saxford Avenue elevator, the Galleria.
Cool.
Yeah, I'm for sure gonna film this thing.
You should. He may not get to come here again.
Yeah, despite being modernized.
Yeah, I would film it too.
I really love the epic motor.
Mm-hmm. Also like how too, like you can see free out there. It's pretty cool.
Of course.
Hit 4.
Are you getting off or are you?
I'm gonna get off.
Okay, I'm gonna end at 4.
Alright.
So I can show the indicator.
Me too.
Okay, let's look at the front. That's it.